In this video I will show you how to pair the handset with the spreader. Switch off power, press the emergency stop and wait at least 5 seconds until you switch on power again. Start the phone. Press Strike Smart, and then the Strike Smart will find the spreader. You press connect. Now, since the emergency stop was pressed when switching on the power, spreader module will go into the configuration mode, which you will see here. Here you have two options: add access and disconnect. So when pairing the controller, you press add access. So now that is done, you can press back and then press exit and reconnect. Then the spreader is found again. Press connect. So you will see this emergency stop message. Then you can release emergency stop. Press OK.